Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix if your Instagram is saying something went wrong. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to solve the issue, just simply open your Instagram application into your computer and after that, take a screenshot of the problem that you are having. Then just simply click to this more button and from there go to this report a problem section. Just simply click into that and then write something like this into this box, then click to this add file option, then attach the screenshot that you just took and click to this send report option. After doing this report of your problem will successfully be sent to the officials of Instagram and then Instagram will review your problem and after that it will send a possible solution into your email address and then your problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.